Well, this is the Little Don River. It is running a little bit faster, so they must have let more water out of the reservoir at the top there. But usually these rocks here, when the reservoir's full, you can sit on the edge and dip your toes in the water, so this is how low it is at the moment. All that area is usually underwater, so it stretches all the way around. It can be very high. I think sometimes it does lap over these rocks as well here. I brought Mabel down. I'm a bit hesitant because it'll be stinky mud round here, but she's just stick chewing at the moment. We'll have a walk round. And these are the willows, of course, round the side, which love their feet in damp soil and don't mind it in water as well for periods of time. So there's lots of willow around the edge. Those are all willow there, willow trees. And up in the distance there I see three buzzards above the railway line and Sheep House. So all this ground here will be really nutritious for the wading birds to feed in. There'll be all sorts under here. But at the moment Mabel's decided it's stick time. Walk this way. And what you'd imagine to be boggy ground is actually quite firm. A little bit boggy in parts actually. And the river is just over there down the bottom. And there's the reservoir, what's left of it. That's Arvin. Arvin? He's here. He's coming.